Today I'm looking at a phrase that you've probably heard a million times but might not know where it actually comes from. Kick the bucket. The phrase is commonly used to refer, rather euphemistically, to someone's death. But the origins of this phrase are a bit murky and, to be honest, quite interesting. One popular theory takes us back to medieval England. It's said that when someone was to be hanged, either by suicide or execution, they would stand on a large bucket. Once the bucket was kicked away, well, the phrase pretty much explains itself. This method, though gruesome, links directly back to the term we use today. Another theory suggests a more benign origin related to farming. Picture a wooden beam in a barn, which in Old English was called a buke. Sometimes animals slaughtered in the barn were hung from this beam. Thus, kicking the bucket might have originally referred to the pig's spasms before succumbing, literally kicking the buke. But which of these theories is true? Well, it might be a blend of both, or perhaps neither. Historical linguistics often finds that expressions like these can evolve and blend over centuries, making a single origin hard to pinpoint. What's absolutely fascinating is how such a grim expression has evolved into common usage, losing much of its dark flavor in the process. Today, it's a lighthearted, if not entirely jovial, way of discussing something as serious as death. So the next time you hear someone say they're kicking the bucket, you'll know a bit more about where this odd saying might have come from. Whether it's medieval hangings or farmyard antics, language has a curious way of preserving history in the most unexpected phrases. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this dive into historical linguistics, make sure to like, subscribe, and kick, but not the bucket, that notification bell to never miss out on the fascinating stories behind everyday phrases. See you in the next video!